Hi guys, how are you today? Fine guys. So we are going to see rebuttals. Okay. So rebuttals that will be in yellow color in the prompts. So you can see here if the customer asks some questions like tricky questions, you can choose any one of these buttons which is relevant to the question of the customer. So that will be in yellow color prompts. Okay. So you can see what is Canadian Telecom Service. What's Canadian Telecom Service? If the customer asks who are you or what is this Canadian Telecom Service, Canadian Telecom Service, it is not the company name, it is a group of service, various companies together, we call it as Canadian Telecom Service. Company name is different. Okay, Short Direct, Zflex, or we can add up any company which we are going to work for, but a group of companies we name it as Canadian Telecom Service. So when the customer is asking what is Canadian Telecom Service, you can tell them that you can click this button, what's Canadian Telecom Service. They are asking what is Canadian Telecom Service. You are also clicking the same button. Whatever the customer says, that will be written on the prompt. That question keyword will be written on the prompt. You have to click that button. That is the clue for you. Fine. So it says like we are the telecommunication company where we can provide the services anywhere in Canada at the best price. Okay, with the best price. So next one is email promotion. Email promotion, like we cannot send emails to the customer because promotion that will keep on changing. We cannot give the same promotion to the customer every day. For example, after 3 months or 2 months, after 1 month, if the promotion is changing, only the email department they can edit and they can send the new promotion. Okay, other promotional department and all, we cannot change the promotions. Okay, so we cannot send email because the customer is getting the email now and he is demanding for the same offer after a month, it will be a trouble. Okay, fine. So we are not going to send the email, so that is why we are giving this information to them by clicking email promotion. Okay, if the customer asks you to send email, and the customer is telling you, next point, the customer is telling you call me when the plan is good. Okay, so when the customers are telling in that way, this is the best plan which I have ever seen our services. So that you can tell when the customer is asking, he needs he is telling call me when the plan is good. And there is one more information for you. So this is call me when the plan is good.
This is the best plan that I have ever seen in our services.
When the customer is asking, call me when the plan is good, you have to click this button. But if the customer is telling you, I'm already having a good offer, I'm already having a better offer with me, that time you have to click this better offer prompt.
That's fine. Here we have a better offer with us too. So could you spend 2 minutes of your valuable time? This will definitely save you hard-earned money. Alright?
Fine. So feel the difference between customer says that he is having a good plan already, and if the customer is asking call me when the plan is good, that is totally different. Okay, fine. Catch beginning, catch middle, two buttons are there, right? Catch beginning, catch middle. Hear this.
I'm just trying to save your hard-earned money through this promotional offer, okay?
Fine. If the customer is asking you what is the catch means like what is the trap. You telecallers are calling and you are going to take the money out of the pocket. Okay, so this is what their approach will be. But we have to inform them we are not going to pull the money from their pocket, we are just going to inform a good plan to them. Okay, catch beginning.
I'm just trying to save your hard-earned money through this promotional offer, okay?
So through this promotional offer, we are trying to save their hard-earned money. So that's what we are going to communicate when we have to click this catch beginning when they're asking what is the catch. Okay, for this only one question they will ask, what is the catch? Okay, if you have to click beginning, the situation should be up to pitch A2. Okay, you have clicked greeting 1, you have clicked pitch A1, you have clicked pitch A2 also. Customer is asking, after clicking A2, the customer is asking what is the catch. Okay, when you're clicking A2, if the customer is asking what is the catch, or otherwise if the customer is asking you what is the catch when you're clicking pitch A1, or otherwise they are asking the same question when you're clicking greeting 1. Okay, in any scenario up to A2. Okay, up to A2 you can click catch beginning. Okay, but after clicking A2, the customer acknowledged you in a positive way. You have also responded and you are moving to C1. Okay, this A2 is completely done. After clicking A2, they did not ask you what is the catch. But after the acceptance of A2, when you're clicking C1, pitch C1, from there, suddenly if the customer is asking you what is the catch, that time only you have to go to catch middle. Okay, if you don't understand, rewind this recording and then hear it once, you will understand. I will click catch middle.
It's not like that. You will be paying only the monthly subscription alone, okay?
Fine. It's saying you'll be paying only the monthly subscriptions alone. Okay. Fine. That is what catch beginning, catch middle is. Number not displayed. Customer is asking why the number is not getting displayed on my phone. Okay. When the customer is getting a call from a company, the name of the company will be displayed on their home phone itself. Okay, but if it is not getting displayed, sometimes they might ask you. Okay, in that scenario, if they are asking you, you have to click number not displayed. Our promotional department works through voice over internet protocol, VoIP minute. Okay, through that technology only you're going to dial. So you can't view any number. But when my installation team calls you, your phone number will display our number. All right, fine. So when the installation team or the next department from Canada, when they are calling the customer, they will get the company name directly on their phone number, on their display. Okay, you have to just click number not displayed when the customer is asking you number is not, why the number is not getting displayed on my phone when they're asking this one. Long distance call. For example, if the internet is weak in the center, if the internet is weak, okay, that time it might feel like someone is speaking and it is getting delayed to hear it to the customer, for the customer, and when they are speaking and you are giving late reply, if any one of these happens, they might ask you, is this a long distance call? Okay, that time you have to click long distance button. When the customer is asking, is this a long distance call, you have to click long distance call. When the customer get delayed voice and it might feel like a long distance call. Okay, in this situation only you are going to click this one. Store, your store. If the customers ask where is your store, nothing, when the customer is trying to understand where is the store, and they might be thinking like they should go to the store and they have to book it. So we should not give the address of the address or nearest store to the customer. If they are going there and getting the service, what is the use for you, right? You have to fix an appointment, right? So you should not give the address at that time, so you have to click your store. So it will say my billing team will guide you for that. Okay, then price hike. Customer is worrying about in future whether the price will hike or not, they're asking you. That time you have to click price hike. Okay, we are currently using latest technology. When latest technology is used, we can save a lot of money, so the price will be constant, it remains the same. Okay, so the prices will not hike, that is what it is saying. So when the customer is asking, will the price increase, will you raise the price in future, you have to click price hike. And the next one is callback number. Callback number. So customer is asking you callback number. Callback number, customer is asking you call me later, that is totally different. Customer is asking you callback number. Okay, that is totally different. Okay, you can see here callback number.
Yes, I can provide you, but sometimes you may get a busy tone. So if you could please tell me a convenient time, I can call you by that time, alright?
So you can see call me later.
Could you please tell me what's your convenient date and time for the callback?
So the customer is telling you to call back. Okay. But this one is call me later. Okay, sorry. This one is call me later. And this one is call back number. They're asking a number from your side so that they can call you back. Okay. But we are not customer care department to give them callback number. And the other one is like we will be keep on calling through the automated dialer, so they cannot call us back. Even if we are providing a number, they will get a busy tone only. So that is what we are telling in callback.
Yes, I can provide you, but sometimes you may get a busy tone. So if you could please tell me a convenient time, I can call you by that time. Alright?
Fine. The next name is sorry. The next one is last name.
My last name is Jones.
So just saying last name. I know customer. If they're asking you what is your last name, that time you have to immediately click this one. You cannot think for the name, think for your name, right? So you have to quickly click this prompt when they're asking what's your last name. Okay.
I'm just trying to save your hard-earned money.
So the customer is speaking with you in a different way, like where the call will not move on to the next stage, but they're asking some question out of the process. But you have to convince them that you're not going to take the money from them. You're trying to save their hard-earned money. You would like to communicate that thing to them, so you have to click hard-earned money. Okay. So that is what about these yellow prompts. Okay. So these yellow prompts we call it as rebuttals. Okay. So practice well. This is very important. You have to click it very quickly. After the mock call session, you will be going for live calls. So be prepared. Practice every day after hearing the videos. Thank you for today, guys. Bye.